Was. If I told you that the healthiest bread you'll ever eat doesn't contain flour, eggs, or even oil? Sounds impossible, right? But stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll learn how to make a soft, satisfying, nutrient-dense bread that supports digestion, balances blood sugar, and fits perfectly into a clean lifestyle. This isn't a trend. This isn't a gimmick. This is real food. Once you try it, you may never go back to regular bread again. Why regular bread is a problem? Most breads today are loaded with refined flour, hidden sugars, unhealthy fats, preservatives, and additives. Even whole wheat bread often spikes blood sugar, causes bloating, and leaves you hungry again within hours. The truth is, modern bread is designed for shelf life, not human health. And that's exactly why this recipe exists. What makes this bread different? This bread is flour-free, egg-free, oil-free, naturally gluten-free, high in fiber, easy to digest, suitable for weight management instead of empty calories. It provides slow energy, gut support, and real nourishment. And the best part? You don't need fancy equipment or rare ingredients. The main ingredients, sun oats, blended into flour oats, are rich in beta-glucan fiber, which lowers cholesterol, improves gut health, keeps you full longer when blended at home. They become a clean, nutrient-dense base. Psyllium husk. This is the secret hero. Psyllium replaces eggs as a binder, improves digestion, slows glucose absorption, adds softness and structure. It's commonly used in clinical nutrition for gut health. 3 baking powder helps the bread rise naturally without yeast. 4 warm water activates the psyllium and creates a dough-like texture. That's it. No oils, no eggs, no flour. Step-by-step method. Step 1. Blend oats into a fine flour. Step 2. In a bowl, mix oat, flour, psyllium husk, baking powder, salt optional. Step 3. Slowly add warm water while mixing. Within seconds, the mixture thickens into a soft dough. Step 4. Let it rest for 2 to 3 minutes so the psyllium fully absorbs moisture. Step 5. Shape and bake at 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, for about 35 to 40 minutes. That's it. No kneading, no yeast, no waiting for dough to rise. Texture and taste expectations. Let's be honest, this bread is not cake soft like white bread. But it is. Moist, slightly chewy, filling, deeply satisfying, perfect for breakfast toasts, sandwiches, soups, clean eating meals. Health benefits: you'll notice less bloating, longer fullness, better digestion, more stable energy, reduced cravings. This bread works with your body, not against it. Who should eat this bread? This recipe is perfect for weight loss diets, diabetics, doctor-approved portions, gluten-sensitive individuals, clean eaters, anyone. Avoiding processed foods. Common mistakes to avoid: using instant oats with added sugar, skipping rest, time over baking, adding too much water at once. Small details make a big difference. Final thoughts. Food doesn't need to be complicated to be healthy. Sometimes, removing ingredients is more powerful than adding them. This bread proves that simplicity can be incredibly nourishing. If you enjoyed this recipe, like the video, subscribe, and share it with someone who wants to eat better without giving up bread.